Hi there, it's Kathy Cates and Melissa Hines from the Institute for Pelvic Health.
And you're watching Demystifying the Pelvic Floor, weekly videos providing real and simplified pelvic floor education for real clinical situations. We've got you covered.
And today we'll be talking about vulvovaginal hygiene.
Okay, so vulvovaginal moisturizing and hygiene, such a huge topic, right? And so we're going to start with vaginal moisture and just a broad overview. So just like your skin can get dry and you need to apply moisturizer, the vagina and the vulva can get dry and the labia can get dry too. So we always recommend reading the ingredients really carefully because none of this stuff is really, none of it's regulated. There's a lot of stuff out there with chemicals of concern. And so that vaginal mucosa and the mucosa of the vestibule and the labia are highly permeable. So you want to avoid fragrances, parabens, petroleum, propylene glycol, sodium hydroxide, chlorhexidine, and glycerin. And also anything that says it's going to be warming, anything like that you want to avoid.
Yeah, so then a little bit more about vulvar skincare. So exercises that create more compression on the pelvic floor muscles, you often want to not necessarily avoid, but you don't want to go sit on a bicycle every single day for over an hour. That creates compression. Swimming, chlorine can sometimes be irritating. Um, you want to increase some stretching, relaxation, restorative yoga type of movement. Some clothing, you want ideally 100% cotton underwear, nothing else. No scented detergents, and do not use any soaps or creams. Also, no soaping the genital area when showering, and choosing an organic tampon or using a cup is always a good idea to eliminate chemical exposure. And specifically bleach for the cotton can be very irritating to a lot of really sensitive people. Organic pads, same thing. And that's a wrap. Did you like this video? If so, hit like and subscribe. Please share with your colleagues and comment below to let us know your biggest challenges in teaching your patients about vulvovaginal hygiene.
And subscribe to our email list at instituteforpelvichealth.com to get your free guide, 4 tips for managing your challenging pelvic exam. You'll get access to our free weekly pelvic health content.
And be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, where we'll post more pelvic health tips. We're super excited to announce that we'll be developing an online course for nurse practitioners.
Our course will break down the pelvic floor so that you can confidently care for your patients with pelvic floor dysfunction. By simplifying the pelvic floor, we'll improve patient outcomes and your provider experience. Thanks for watching and spreading the word. Together, let's revolutionize pelvic health. We'll see you soon.